Hey guys, what's happening? How to unlink account in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click the three bars at the bottom right. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and click others, the last option. And then you're gonna see settings, customer support, and all that stuff. Go ahead to the settings, right? And then you're gonna see right here, you're gonna be able to control all of your settings from here. Go back and click account, right? And then what you're gonna do, simply go and click delete all saved data. There is no direct button that allows you to actually unlink your account, right? Unless you want to sign in using other credentials, right? Like Apple, you can do that using, or a Nintendo account, you can do that basically by signing in using Apple, but I assume that you're gonna be able to switch between accounts. So the only option is you need to click delete save data, right? And log in using another credentials, right? And that should fix it. That's been on the comments. If this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll catch you in the next time.